Gita. So in the previous class we had started a new lesson, that is lesson number 2, addition. And what now we learned? We learned the properties of addition and we learned the adding 4-digit numbers that you had already learned in your second standard. Now today we will be learning addition of 5-digit numbers. Okay, so let's start. First, before adding, you should know the properties. What are the properties we learned? Division, order property, zero property, and one property. What do order properties say? Even if the number orders are changed, answer will not change. Zero property says you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. One property says you add 1 to any number, the answer will be the successor of that number. So we have revised this property. Let's go for the sum. So when you are adding 5-digit numbers, you have places like 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. This makes 5 digits. So let's start adding the number. So what are the numbers I'm going to add is 35,603 and 46,214. These are the two numbers which I am going to add now. So before adding, what should I do? I have to place them in their proper places. So let's take the number and place it in the places. So always start writing from one place, children, because if you have any number which is lesser, you can identify easily. That I'll show you again, but always try to write it in this order only. So let's add these two numbers. So what is 3 plus 4? 3 in your mind, 4 on your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. 0 plus 1, 0 property. Any number adding to 0 is the same number. 6 plus 2, 6 in your mind, 2 on your finger. After 6, 7, 8. Next, 1006. 5 is 6. 5 on your mind, 6 on your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 1 carry. 4 and 3. 3 plus 4 is 3 in your mind, 4 on your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you have 1 carry. So 7 plus 1 carry becomes 8. So there is no difference in adding the 4-digit numbers. Is it? Only one difference is you have one more place value to add. That's it. So simple. So now you added two numbers of 5 digits. Now let's go one step and go add 3-digit number. So I'm going to add this number and also one more number like 2,460. 460. So now you will understand why I tell you to write from one place. See, start writing from one place. 0, 6, 4, 2. Now you can see there is no 10,000 place here. If you start from writing left side, you will have empty here. That becomes wrong number because if you write in that way, see the number what you get. And you don't have number, you put a 0. So what is the number now? 24,600. But is this the number I wanted to add? I wanted to add 2,460. So only you should not write numbers from the left side. You should write from the right side corner. That is from one place. Now you can add a 0 in the end here. Let's add the 3 numbers here. So 3 plus 4, 7. What is the answer we get? 7. Now I should add the second number here. 7 plus 0 is 0 property. zero property? Answer is 1. Now 1 plus 6. 1's property, children. 6 plus 1 is the successor of the number. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now again add these two numbers first. 6 to 8. 8 plus 4. Keep in your mind 4 on your finger. What is the answer you get? 12. 2, 1 carry. Now 5 plus 6 becomes 11. 11 in your mind, 2 on your finger. The answer is 13. Plus I have 1 carry, so 14. 4, 1 carry over. Next 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 0, 0 property. Answer is 7 only. I have 1 carry here, so it becomes 8. So children, now we have learned adding even 3 numbers of different digits here. Same thing we will be doing in our classwork part also, and you will get practiced. So let's start our classwork part. Open your classwork, textbook and all your geometrical materials you need to. Thank you.
Going forward for the classwork part, we finished lesson number 2, the first exercise in the last class. Today we will go in for the next exercise. Before going for the exercise, we have to write the properties of addition. So all of you go to a new fresh page and write properties of addition in the first line. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-I-E-S. Properties, one finger space, of addition. So first property is order property. What's the property name? ORDR. Order property. What it says? Even if the order is changed, the sum is not changed. Okay, so let's write the sum. It's in the next line. The sum of two or more numbers remains same. Even if the order is changed. Children, if you don't understand here, you can refer your textbook page number 98. You have order of properties here. You can copy that. So let us give the example. But in textbook, examples are big. So here I am going to take a small numbers for your understanding. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Now change the order. 4 plus 3, that is also equals to 7. The answer is not changed even if the numbers order is changed. That is the meaning of first property. Now let's go for the second property. That is zero property. Zero property. What it means? When 0 is added to a number, comma, the number will not change, right children? So the number remains same. So let us explain with the example. Example 7 plus 0. It's 7 only. The value is not changed here. It is 98 plus 0. Again it is 98 only. The number doesn't change. It's 0 plus 2000. Answer would be 2000 only. The number doesn't change. This is 0 property. Now let's go for the next page and write the next property. Third property, ones property. Property of ones, children, which means when 1 is added to a number, we get, what do we get? We get the next number, that is nothing but successor. So you write that we get successor of the number. Example, 5 plus 1, the next number is 6, successor of 5. 100 plus 1 is 101. That's enough. Now we'll go for the main exercise. Write exercise 2.2. First main, find the sum of. Children, keep this word in mind. Sum means the answer we get after adding two numbers or even two or more numbers. So leave one line and write the first one. Before writing the first one, you should write the place values. Here you have 5 digits. So you are going to write 10,000, little space 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Now write the numbers given. 5, 2, 1, 4, 7 plus, don't forget to write a symbol, it is very important. You have copied the questions. Children, questions are in the textbook, page number 98. You can refer it if you want to. So now children, you should always start adding from the ones side. Keep this in mind, you should start adding from one side. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 6. I won't write 6 in both the numbers here. I'll write 6 here and 1 will be carried over to the next number. Next, 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7, both are same. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 2, 1, carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 carry is 10. So 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. 2, 1 carry. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1 carry is 9. The answer is 92,026. Let's go for the second question. You can write it here in the pink line side, children. Again, first write the place values. 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. The question is 37658 plus 44675. Now let's add numbers. Add 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5, both are same. 13. 3, 1 carry. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 3, 1 carry. Again 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13 again. 3, 1 carry. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 2, 1 carry. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 is 8. My answer is 82,000 333. Now children, I am going to take a different sum, that is 7 sum, as you have 3-digit numbers to add there. Other sums you can try it at home. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Numbers are 3, 8, 9, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 7, 6, 4. So again you have to write plus sign here in the last. Now add the numbers, children. So adding 3-digit number is not very difficult. First you'll add the first 2 digits, take the answer in your mind and then add with 4. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 in your mind and add 4 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1 carry. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 1, 14. 4, 1 carry. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 7 will be 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 1, 2 carry. Again 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 in your mind plus 4, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 1 carry here, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So my answer is 76,143. So let me do one more sum of this type. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. I am copying the 8th question. 25,209, 24,145, 12,853. Adding them all, what do I get? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 1 carry. 0 plus 4 is 4 only. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1 carry is 10. 10 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2, 1 carry. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, it's 12. 2, 1 carry. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 carry is 6. So we have done the 4 sums. In classwork, this is enough, children. You can try the other sums in the textbook for practice. And we'll go for the B mean, rearrange and rearrange the following and add. So read one line and copy the question. The first question, 21,445, 16,345, and, or you can also write and like this, children. I have written and. 26,345. What you should do? First write the place values. This is the working column, so let's write here. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. 21,445. 16,345. So the next number is 26,345. Now let us add all the 3 numbers. You draw the line using your scale, children. Now add the 3 numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 on your mind, add 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5, 1 carry over. Again 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 on mine, add 4. Answer is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 1 is 14. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So my answer I got is 64,135. Let's write the answer now. Answer 64,135. Now let's turn a page and go for the second sum. Second sum, children, I'm going to take the fourth one because it's little tricky. The other two, second and third, I want you to write the answers only in the textbook. 45,214, 38,136 and 2,515. This is the question. Now write the place values in thousand, hundred, tens, ones, and write the numbers below. 45,214, 38,136. See children, last number there is no 10,000 here, it is 2,000. So in 10,000 place you should write 0 and write 2 in thousands place 515 and add all the three numbers. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, plus 1 carry is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 13, plus 2 is 15, 5 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 8. So I got my answer. Let us write it here now. Answer 85,865. Now we'll go for the last mean children, that is third mean. Fill in the blank. Leave one line and write the first question. 84,323 plus dash is equals to 84,320. Children, see, both the numbers are same. When you get the same number as answer, when you add 0 to it, so you write 0 here. Second one, 15,213 plus 21,415 is equals to 21,415 plus dash. So when you add these two numbers and you should add the number with unknown number, both the answers should be same children. That is why they have given equals to here. When you get the same answer, you can see this are both the same numbers, but only the order is changed. So which number can I write here? I should write the first number here. In this, only the orders are changed. The answer is not changed. So they are equal. Third one, 18,124 plus dash is equals to 18,125. Only one number is increased. That means I should add 1. Fourth one, 312 plus 4,045, so 54 plus 200 is equals to 4054 plus 200 plus dash. So this is also like order changing children, order property. See, 4000 is in the first place, 200 in second place. What is remaining here is 312. That I'll be writing here in the blank. By this we have completed the lesson. I have left few sums for you to practice in the test book, and I'll be checking it in the interactive class, children. Don't forget to complete your classwork and test book. Whatever answers you have written here, same thing should also be copied in the test book. Thank you.